Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about my number one in each category and I'm very excited. I filmed similar videos to this, but this is the updated version with drugstore and high-end. Today we are doing base and cheeks and the other video will be for eyes and lips. So let's start in primer category. Here it was so tough and I decided on two products, and just because they are so different that I feel like it's a bit unfair to compare them. So for a glowy base, for a glowy primer, my favorite product is the Essence. This is the Essence Hello Good Stuff Glow Serum Primer. This is hydrating, glowy, but not shimmery at all, and it is the best primer when you want a glass skin. It will not make your foundation last longer or stuff like that. It looks just flawless on the skin. It looks great and I really love it. Another primer that I feel like is very different, it's the Porefessional from Benefit. This will make your pores look smaller and your makeup will look flawless, and I'm very happy that I discovered a primer different than the Essence one that I really love. This is so smoothing and so nice, and foundations look incredible on top of this one. For foundation, I'm very happy that I have a true favorite this time around, and it is the Huda Beauty Easy Blur. It looks so blurred, I cannot believe it, really. The skin looks flawless, it wears great. It's not a full matte foundation, it is a bit hydrating. I would say that it is a blurred natural finish. It looks so nice. I really love this one, and I am so happy that I discovered one foundation that I actually really love. This one is incredible in my opinion. For concealer, I need to mention the Natasha Denona Hy-glam. This is perfection, really. It is hydrating under the eyes but not cakey and full coverage. It looks so nice on the skin. I just repurchased it. It is pretty expensive, but it's worth every penny in my opinion because it is just flawless. It looks so nice and it is covering everything that I really want. It looks so natural, and I think this one just looks so beautiful under the eyes, really. In the powder category, I have a bit of a newer product, but let me explain. The powder is not new, but the shade is. So I've been loving the Huda Beauty Easy Bake. Easy Bake it is? Yes. Easy Bake for years, really. I bought it maybe 4 times and one big jar lasts for about 1 year. But I decided to try this shade, the pink shade. This is the Cherry Blossom Cake. I love it. This is my favorite right now. I am wearing it today and it is so brightening and so flattering. I really like it. And of course, this is the best powder in my opinion because it is very blurring, mattifying, sets everything into place really well. It looks flawless, and this combination looks so nice. It is just flawless skin, like I mentioned. For setting spray, I fell in love with this one. It's so nice. The packaging I love. The sprayer is great. This makes everything looks so natural. After like all the powders and everything, the skin looks very, I don't know, maybe a bit flat, but you add a spray or two of this, it's just melting everything into the skin, makes everything look nicer and wear better. This is just incredible in my opinion. I really like it. I didn't mention the name. It is the Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Love this one. It is amazing. For cheeks, I've been thinking a lot about the bronzer that I want to mention because right now in my collection I have 4 that are my favorites. Really, all 4 are great. And then I was thinking that I need to pick one because in this category I'm not picking one cream and one powder or something like that. And for sure I'm not mentioning all 4 to you right now because that's not the point. So I decided on this one, and I will explain why this one. This is the Revolution Ultra Cream Bronzer. This is the easiest one to apply, in my opinion. I'm just taking my sponge, putting it in here, tapping it on my cheek, done. Looks nice every time. It's a cream, so it is blending into the skin very easily. In the cream category, bronzer is my favorite, just because I feel like I could bronze the skin with something creamy and then put blush and highlighter that are powders on top, and it will just set it into place in a way that, I don't know, if I'm putting cream bronzer, cream blush, everything cream, it looks a bit, I need to powder again after. This one I can really put on top of powder if I want. I can put it on top of foundation directly. I can leave it at that, just set it with blush on top, and it will look great. So just because the ease of it, and that is very affordable, very nice, and it looks great. So what more can you ask for? Then for blush, I'm wearing it today, and it is this one. This is the Fenty Velour Blush Light in the shade Fresh Peach. I picked this one just because overall it is a full packaged product. The packaging is incredible, the compact and everything about it. The shade is stunning, and it looks just stunning on the cheeks. It is a beautiful pink shade, but it doesn't look too pink. It's not very pigmented, it is just pigmented enough. And then it's just so blendable, so beautiful, and so shimmery in the best way. I really love it. It is beautiful. That is the description of it. Beautiful from A to Z. And lastly, the highlighter that I picked. Even though this is not the best packaging, I really love this one. And sure, maybe the Natasha Denona one is just better packaging and everything, but I like this one more. I like it because of the formula, because it is just a beautiful shade. Somehow they got this shade so well. It's not a basic champagne shade. It is more than that. I have it on top of the Fenty blush. I forgot what I'm saying. This is the Sun Flex powder highlighter from BH Cosmetics. Unfortunately, BH Cosmetics is not doing anything, but this was flawless and great. I really like it, and I really enjoy it as much as I can. And I think this is still available, so yeah, but it's just, I really like it. It's stunning. So this was everything for the base and the cheeks. I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.